Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the participants to today's session of our ethical use of generative AI tools for research paper writing program. Today's session focuses on AI for academic writing and prompt engineering, exploring how generative AI can support researchers in planning, structuring, refining, and communicating their academic work more efficiently. We will explore how to design effective prompts for tasks such as generating ideas, structuring research content, improving clarity and academic language, summarizing information, developing outlines, and refining drafts. The session will also focus on how researchers can interact with AI more precisely to obtain useful and contextually relevant outputs. Alongside these practical applications, an important focus will be on ethical and responsible AI use in academic writing. AI should support the researcher's thinking and writing process rather than replace scholarly judgment, originality, or critical analysis. Proper source verification, transparency, academic integrity, and responsible handling of research information will remain central throughout the entire session. Okay. It is now my pleasure to welcome our esteemed mentor and speaker, Dr. Meher Chand, who brings expertise in AI, machine learning, data science, computational sciences, and research oriented applications of emerging technologies. His practical and research driven approach will provide valuable guidance on generative AI while maintaining academic rigor and integrity. With that, let us begin today's session on AI for academic writing and prompt engineering. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Thanks, dear face, for nice introduction. And first of all, good evening to all the participants. Welcome back. Yesterday, due to some technical issue, I was not able to start the session, but today everything is fine. And during the session also, I hope that everything will be fine because some things are not in our hand. Okay. So prompt engineering play very important role sometimes if we don't have the right instruction to all these tools. So according to that, what we need, we don't have the right information by using these generative AI tools. But our concern is related to the research purpose. Okay, so there are some very useful prompt I have prepared. These will help you definitely not only to save your time, but everything which you need for your research paper. Okay. So without any loss of time, I am going to share my screen. Okay. Actually, there are some more tools are available which are paid. Okay, but my main concern is if by using free available software we can do everything, then why should we pay? So once again, I come back to our notebook LM. Okay. But now the updated name is notebook.google.com. These are the URL. But previously the URL was notebooklm.google.com. So small update is there. So the problem is that I have one more file which I will share with you after this session, and the prompt which I can use, I use in notebook to find the potential research gap. Okay, and by using the prompt which are given here, we can identify the potential research gap faster and more accurately with these notebook steps. Okay, so we have to follow. Just like this is the very first, we need focused source collection. Okay, anyone wanted to start his or her research work? Suppose that I am very comfortable to work in AI area, but I want to my skill. I want to use my skill in bioinformatics. Okay, so I have to find out some collections of the papers where we can have AI application in bioinformatics. Okay, we can have artificial intelligence in agriculture, artificial intelligence in healthcare, but I have very little information. but we need for the research purpose lot of information along with the research gap, along with the literature review. Many things are required. Okay, so see here, I'm going to start this journey by using include the recent review. You can see in the very first step, include the recent review, key studies, new research papers covering different methods, populations, and context. What I will do, I use only this prompt. Okay, I copied this prompt, and then you can see this is my notebook LM. Okay, so you can have also the same. What you will do, I will copy all this content which I select here, right click and copy. Okay, then I come back to my at this place and paste the prompt. I will write here my topic. I will write here my topic. Suppose my interest is in, I want to use AI in bioinformatics. Okay. So by using this term only, this will give me lot of literature, okay, published or the future, etc., whatever we need, including the recent reviews, key studies, new research papers using different methods. Okay, in this only in these two terms, all the things by using this prompt I will have. Okay, what I will do, I will click on go. So you can see on the left hand side, this is working on the research website where these instruction, according to the instructions, the sources are available. Okay, so here you can see 7 sources are there. Based on these terms, I can import. If you need the complete overview, you can see. Okay, this is the complete overview. Now I need to import all these. Okay, whatever we have, I will click on it to import. So these are the supportive sources according to my problem where I want to work, where I want to start my research work. I don't have any idea, but to expand it, I need to study various papers which can support to my research area. Okay, this is one thing, and you can see all the sources which are available are coming to this place, and we have import here. If we need some more sources and we can have the publications, we can have URL. Okay, those also we can insert here. But here by using only the prompt, we can access, and these sources which you can see are available. Okay, and all has been imported here. Some are published, some are just like archive. This is the unpublished sources there. Okay, so whatever everything is available related to those we have import at this place. Okay, so once this will be imported, one paper, one URL is pending, it is in the progress. After that, this will give some brief overview about all these papers or the sources which are available according to our input. The title which I insert here, AI in bioinformatics. Okay, you can have any title, you can have any prompt, just you are required to give the title and the prompt. Okay, so at the place of the where the square bracket and inside the title where you need to put, and then you can go ahead. Okay, so within a few second minute, this will return the all the information and read to these sources which are available. Okay, and yes, now everything is fine, and this will return overview about all this, what the information is there. So according to, you can see AI in the pediatrics, genetic clinical research and ethical horizon. Okay, so according to these papers which we collect, the title is there, and what information is there in this paper or actual brief overview. Okay, so you can see the brief overview about these papers are also you can see here. Okay, if you need some more information or you want to save, here is one icon here, save to note. If you will click on it, and on the right hand side, this will be saved here on the right hand side, and later on, whenever we need, we can see click on it. So the same information will be saved on the right hand side. Okay. So if you need some more information or you want to see some more questions are there, just like how are AI tools currently transforming the genetic diagnostic, or what ethical challenges are there? How does the US, China, and compare the gap? Okay, so if you need some, you think that these questions are relevant, or you can use this. Okay, if you have some, you have your own question, so you can chat at the place, and according to that, the information will be there. This is the one part. Now come to the next prompt, which is available here. This is used for create literature matrix. Okay. So what I will do, just I need to copy this prompt, organize the papers using the same comparison criteria. Okay. I will right click on it. Okay. And then I come back to here. Just I will paste and enter. So see, the task which you need to manage by spending lot of time. Lot of time means this can be 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. Sometimes it can be 1 month also. Okay. So everything, the matrix will be there. Okay. So it will review all the papers which are available, and from that all the information will be collected and will be on your desktop within a few seconds. See, this will take few seconds. Okay. So reviewing the database, investigating the sources, exploring the concept, synthesizing the finding. So all the things which are essential for this part. Okay, literature matrix. So this will collect research questions, theory, population context, method, sample findings, limitations, cite each entry. Okay. So see, still it is in the, yes, it is about to return the output value, creating the report, and deciding the format, defining the format, confirming the detail, compiling the detail. Okay. So all these things will be developed systematically, and in the backend, the algorithm which has been developed or for this part, okay, very intelligent, and according to our need, all the information will be there, and later on we can download, we can use the same thing. Okay. Yes, I think it is going to complete now.
Or you
Yes,
want to take it?
yes. It's creating the artifact in studio. Yes, it is about to complete now. You can see this icon. It is in the progress. Okay, it is working. The dot sign is, yes. Coming. Yes, everything is there.
सुन
So
लो
you can see everything.
मेरी पुकार, पवन सुत
Tejinder
बिनती।
Sharma, please mute your mic. Okay. Now, what you do? Would you like it to me focus on the this area, such as drilling down? We can save this information. We can save, and this will be available on the right hand side. Okay. Further, some more thing which you need. See what information is there. Yes. So here, if you will AI in the genetic proteomics and precision medicine, everything is there. Okay, all the methods which has been used. Okay, and if you need titled comprehensive literature matrix, AI genetic proteins has been created in the studio panel. Okay, this also is there. We can see in the studio panel. Uh, we can close it, and this is the matrix. Okay, you can see. Yes, this is the comparative literature matrix A in the genetic proteomics and precision method. Okay, precision medicine. Okay, everything is there with their citation, references, everything. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then you can minimize it. And after that, if you need some more information, just like you can see what is the math behind the population condition. Because when we are doing method, if methodologies are there, if you need some more information about this, just like there are some questions, what is the math behind the population? Okay, how did the variant model beat the uh, Axomizer's benchmark explain the right to open future in pediatric AI. Okay, so by using this icon, you can see here save to note. So all the information by doing and searching the all the informations will be automatically saved. You can save to note all in right hand side. Okay, just you are required to click on it. Suppose if you need the explain the right, you need the mathematics behind the population conditions resampling. We can get the information about this one also. Okay. To extract some more information about literature review. Okay, this is the one part. It is working on it. And after that, we can have very nice step number 3. This one. Look for the patterns across paper. Okay. Search the contradictions, recurring limitations, and areas receiving the little attention. So we will use the next prompt. This is the process how you can use it. Okay. The next prompt is compare all papers, identify the contradictory findings, understand the population context, and recurring the limitation, overused method, untested assumptions or theories, cite every pattern. Just you are required to use this prompt only. Okay, so I will use the right click, copy, and come back to add space. Okay, you can see here the mathematics behind this is the previous one. I ask here what is the math behind population conditions resampling. So you can see here the mathematics behind is also there, all the information, the methods which has been used here. And if you think that this information is important for you, you can again save to note, and this will be available on the right hand side. So all the information step by step which you are using, which you are getting. Okay, so for writing the paper, all the information which you need essential will be there. And now I am using the next prompt, control and V. Okay, so here this will compare all the papers, identify the contradictory findings, understand the population or context, whatever we have in the prompt. So according to this prompt, this will find everything. Okay, so all these informations are coming from where? The papers which we can see on the left hand side. Okay, we are not required to spend a lot of time. You can access some more papers, you can insert here. Uh, uh, by using this title, we have only 7 papers. You can use 10 papers, you can use 15 papers, you can have 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, whatever you have. But the thing is, you should have the collection. Okay, you can extract by using just like URLs, you can upload the PDF files, all the resources, whatever you have related to one topic. Okay, you have to upload here, whether you have the URL or you can have the PDF files. Also yesterday, sorry, today, I upload some papers. Okay, and I upload the same. Just you can see the previous one paper which I use for smart green cities. Okay, so related to this paper, I upload here about 10 papers were there. I download and then after I tried. So the same thing which you can see here are we can get the information, everything. Okay, so you can see according to the prompt which we apply here, compare all papers, identify the contradictory, overused, etc. whatever there, and we have the information. Okay, this is the contradictory finding and methodologies tensions. Okay, then understood the population context biological gap, whereas then you can see come to next recurring the structural and computational limitations. What are there? Everything is there. Then overused methodologies and research paradigm. You can see untested assumptions and conceptual overgeneralization. Okay. So if this information is important for us, okay, we can save this one as a note. You can see on the right hand side, this will be available. If you have some questions from your side, you can ask just like we chat in the chat GPT. In the same way, you can ask your query right to this part. Okay, and the same information will be extracted here for you from the sources which you provide. Okay, keep in mind. And if you ask these questions which are available, how to specialize the model, outperform massive ones, and tell me more about the clinical risk of the error omissions, etc. So you can select these questions and all the information related to your question will be there and you can save it. And later on, when all the information systematically, when you are going to write your paper and parallelly, if you have the open one like one side one like MS Office file is open, you can compile all these context in single file. Okay, just you are required to download from this place, and then you can see I have saved this file. Okay, next we can come to challenge every potential gap. Okay, now we need to find the gap also. For each potential gap, show the evidence supporting it, evidence that challenge it, and what may be missing from the sources collection, and why the unanswered issue matter. Cite every claim. Okay, see now. So these are the questions. These are the step-by-step prompt which you can use to collect the information by providing the sources, whatever you have. Okay. This is the prompt which I, okay, sorry, copy. The prompt was not copied. Right click and then copy. Control A and paste. Okay, this is the my prompt, new prompt. And then, so this is the complete process. Okay. And verify the evidence. We can verify the evidence also. And this is the prompt. Next, this is the last one. So create a search string for each potential gap using relevant keywords, synopsis, synonyms, and Boolean operators. Format it for Scopus, Web of Science, Google Scholar. Okay, this is the last step to verify the evidence. So this is working on this prompt which we have given here. Okay, so the according to the prompt which we apply here, according to date, the gap and everything is there. You can see. Okay, the genomic ancestry and demographic bias gap. You can see, and then we have the benchmark. Okay, then we can have the static ground state predictions and versus dynamic biographical reality gap. Okay. So all the informations we have. And if you need some expand SPO similarity or show the performance and how does PubMed but reduce bias. Okay, so these are some more questions. So by using these questions, you can get some more information about these which you need. Okay, just like if I want to use this, how does PubMed but reduce bias? Okay, I will click on it and this will give the information about this question. Okay, and then we have the last one. Yes, copy. Yes, you can see in clinical genomics and rare disease diagnosis pub medbird. Okay, so on the basis of these bias gaps, you can see here all the information is there. Okay, and we can this is free from Chirani is asking. Okay, I am no this tool which we are using here, notebook LM. Okay, this is not the paid version, this is the free version. Okay, there are some paid versions available also, but I don't like to use here. Okay, please, are you demonstrating? No, no, this is the free version. I'm not using the paid version. AI in this notebook.google.com is free available. Okay. So now again, yeah, we are going to apply this last prompt. Okay. See what happened and what this will return the information. Now this is used to create a search string of each potential gap using relevant keywords, synonyms, and Boolean operators. Format it to for the Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar. Okay, so I put this prompt and see, yes. Okay. Yes. So you have the information, okay, based on the prompt which we give at the base. Okay.
दुख भंजन मारुति नंदन सुन लो मेरी पुकार
Tejinder Sharma, madam, we are listening you. We are listening your song. Okay. So actually, this is the complete process to get all the informations, and you can see the information which we extract, which can support our research writing. Okay. So all the information which we extract, just I use only two words. One is AI and other is bioinformatic. I previously I don't know nothing about all this and how I can do. Okay, so by using these key two words, I have the some collection of the papers, sources are there, and from this I have all the information to write the paper. Okay, so by spending lot of time, 5 days, 15 days, 10 days, the same thing you can say if you have the idea and if you are interested to work on some specific area by using some small title. Okay, you can get every information as you can see here. And now we can start to convert this information into the research paper. So you have the research gap is there, research review is there, reference are there, table are there, and comparison of the papers are there. Just you are required to compile. Okay, systematically you are required to compile now. Okay, so everything is on your desktop. If you need to download all these files, so what you can do for the download, you can, yes, add three dot, you will click and then you will export to doc file. Okay, so this will download as a doc file. You can see, yes, okay, you can use this content directly. Okay, so these are 5 pages. Similarly, systematic tension structure biological AI. Yes, export docs. This will open. Okay. Yes. So this is all about the today's session, and I hope that the information which by using all this I try to present will help you. Now, if you have any question, please. So actually the information you can see here related to if we are going to start some research, okay, we don't have any idea, but we have some only 2 3 keywords are there. So by using all this you can see everything. The first step is to collect the literature, the papers which can support. So all these are there. And then after rest all the things, just like you are doing the manually literature review, after collecting the paper, everything by using this tool. In the previous session also I demonstrate here, but today this is the systematically, because one participant was asking how we can use for the multiple paper, because at that time when I first time present here, I was only the one paper. Similarly, in the today's morning when I start to open this file, you can see here in the morning, if I can open, okay, notable, no. Yeah, you can see here, these are the papers, these are the PDF files. Okay, I uploaded the PDF files and from this I started to work on it. Okay, so the same thing you can do by using uploading the papers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 papers are there. Okay, for these 6 papers I use the same prompt which is available in this file. I will share with you and you can use it for your research work, for your to start your research on any topic, whatever you need. Okay, there was some more prompt I have. Please, if you have any question.
Good evening, sir. I have a question.
Prisma literature. Okay, madam, can you please explain me what do you mean by the Prisma literature? Tajinder Sharma.
Sir, actually, sir, good evening. There are many techniques like Prisma because when we do the literature review, there are many techniques kind of Prisma and other techniques. I just wanted to know all those techniques because I have heard about it, but I don't know about it.
Okay, I put your question here. Prisma. Okay, because this is not the part in my research work. Okay, so I do here for your question. I'm trying. Okay,
जी
Prisma literature. Actually, we are not required to download the notebook. Okay, just we are required to log in. Okay, just you can see, I am sharing the link for, I am sharing the link of, this is the, okay, where is research and education? Yeah, I am sharing the URL in WhatsApp group. Okay, you can directly open by using this link. Yes, you can see in the WhatsApp group.
Good evening, sir.
Link is
I
there.
have a question. Meher, sir, can you hear me?
Okay, so I can close all these. Any more question, please?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
We can see the prisma. Okay, here. Okay, so according to your question, I ask here. Okay, so this is the information according to your question. You can find here. Based on the papers which are available at the test. Okay. So everything which you need for your research, you can ask your question, your query. Okay. After when you will upload here, good evening, sir. I have been trying to ask question, but maybe I am not audible. So I will. Okay. Yes, you can do puja. You can. Yes, please speak.
Trying to speak, but I think
What
it's not
voice is
working.
very low. Please text me. Please text me.
Okay, sir.
Your voice is very low. And you can save it in note. Okay. In say this will be saved in the note, and when you will click on it, you can have all the information. Okay. So this is the Prisma flow diagram presentation. Okay. You can see. Okay. And later on, if you need to convert this into the diagram, then what you will do? Yes, we can try. We can try. I copied all this content. How we can graphically present it. Okay. So then after we can copy. Yes, ma'am, you can type your question. I have been using LM for teaching for some time, learn from you. Okay. But I can use the slide maximum 3 times a day. Is that the same with the,
क्यों लगा रहे हो गए हो? हाँ?
Jay Prakash? Okay. LM teaching for some time, learn from you. Okay, but I can use slide deck note video only for maximum 3 times a day. Is, yeah, it can be some limitations. Okay, we can see it. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Device logging plus. But with me, there is no such problem. Create new recent setting plus. You can see a lot of work I have done by using this notebook. Features notebook, share with me, collections. Okay, I did not do this one. create new plus no setting license. But the problem is you are asking not with me.
I don't know, sir. I have been trying to use the app most of the time, but it shows limits when I'm using it.
I have done a lot of work, you can see. Many things I have developed here.
No, not multiple notebooks. I can create multiple notebooks, but when I try to use the features multiple times a day, let's say for teaching for a particular topic, then it won't work and ask for me to upgrade for using the features at all.
Okay. So I think I need not require to upgrade because the problem is that free space of the Google Gmail account, okay, fully completed, and I am using my Gmail account paid version.
Okay.
Okay, it may be this type of the problem. That's
Then
why
it's connected to your mail.
I pay monthly, I think 200, 300 approximately, according to Indian currency. Okay, I have subscribed to my Gmail account because my Gmail account is fully no space in my Gmail account. Okay, so I have to subscribe Gmail to increase my space, and I think due to this reason, I have multiple choices are there.
Yes. That's why it's
Okay,
written plus in your
yeah, this
Gemini
type of the
one.
problem never occur with me. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Can you check the price for upgrade? I don't have such option
Let me see, sir. I have it opened.
because I think with my Gmail account, many features are available free for me. This can be the one reason. So this is the way how we can integrate, how we can use the prompt, because if we don't have the right prompt, then we are not able to get the all the information which we need for our purpose. Okay. So in this way we can integrate, we can use all these prompt which I have shown you. And there are some more prompt are there which we should integrate in our generative AI tools. So when you will use, I will provide you the sheet with examples how you can use. Okay, so these will help you to get the right information. Okay, so here just like I can show you one or two example. uh, if I am using, I can have the, okay, so if you will write the just like the brief introduction about write on bioinformatics. Okay, usually we are using this practice. Okay, so if you will use like by using backslash, this will give you the right and exact information in detail. This is the small prompt by no, you are not required to give the long prompt. This is the small prompt. Okay, and when you will use and see, sorry, uh, I have to use this one. Okay, and then yes. So the right is the prompt. Slash right is the prompt. So actually by using only this term, as you can see, there are so many prompt shortcuts. These are known as prompt shortcut. So if you will use this type of the prompt shortcut to get some information from the generative AI, you are not required to put the long prompt. Only this short will help you. So by using this short prompt, you can see all the information is there in a systematical way. Okay, and exact information is there. Similarly, we can have write, elaborate, map, generate. Okay, I'm using here generate. See, cheat sheet on bioinformatic. Okay, see now. Very small statement I put here and see the magic. These are also the prompt, just like slash write, slash generate, slash interpret. All these are backslash. So I have prepared one sheet actually in the last workshop, and I will share all those content which are systematically we generate right here. You can use for the to write any article, to generate the images, to get some more information for the academia purpose, for official work. There are many prompts are there, prompt shortcut. Okay, and you can integrate them. So just I use only this term. Okay, backslash generate.
So you have the plus version.
So this is all about the today's session. Yeah, 100 rupees not much money. Okay, if you can save a lot of time. First 3 months is 100 rupee, then 399. Yes, this thing. So I'm also paying this amount per month, and a large space I have, and many tasks I am using. Just like you can see this Google Notebook ML, okay, which I am using free. So by using a Gmail account only, we can have lot of facilities from the Google side. Also, I'm not required to pay for Collab. Collab also integrated with Gmail account, and till now I am using free version. I never required to upgrade anything. So this will generate the cheat sheet. This will take few seconds. So this is the last example, and along with I will share with you some more content. These will be the prompt shortcuts. Okay, and with examples are there. You can try all this and will save you a lot of time. Making the first draft. Okay, still it is in the progress. And till then, I am sharing with you the document file. I have the file. Okay, this is on the final stage. Additional final touch is there. Okay. Yes, great. So we have two images are there. I like the first one. Okay. See, very interesting. See now. Okay, this is the cheat sheet. Okay, what I use only generate backslash generate cheat sheet on bioinformatic on this topic, all the information with graphically. introduction, types, typical bioinformatic workflow, how we can use the database. Okay. See, all the things are there. These are the key techniques are there. Popular tool and software are there. Use Python code. You can see here for the DNA. Okay, then you can see the key database from where you can get the data set for DNA or the other things. And then you can see the math and state in the bioinformatic. These are the math and state which we are required to use. And applications are also there, and best practice. And at the end, biology, mathematics, state, computer science, AML, bioinformatic is equal to scientific discovery. Everything is there. Okay, so the thing is how we are using the right prompt. Okay, I put only the very small statement. You can see I did not give the long statement. Okay, so you can use the two images are there. So according to your choice, you can use first one or you can use second one. But I like the first one. This is very colorful. Okay, just see only the magic of this term, which I use at this. Okay, so these small prompt, by using in this way, you have the right and exact information. Okay. Please, would you make a lecture note on this topic for us? This will greatly help in our private practice. Ma'am, actually, exactly, I don't understand about the lecture note. Actually, the all type of the prompt which we can use in academia. I have prepared the sheet all day, and all these will available for you. How you can use with examples are there. Okay, just after getting, you can use just like this the example, how you can use it. Okay, and you can see the magic. Okay, so every participant have the different domain, different areas are there, but the right way to use. The most important thing is how you are using this prompt. Okay, so prompt shortcut are there. So I will provide you all these prompt shortcut, integrate all these in your teaching, in your learning. Okay, in your research also you can use them. Okay, so today the main focus was on the prompt. So this is all about the today's session, and thank you very much. If there is any more question, please, you can ask from me. Dr. Pooja, Dr. Uttam, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for thumbs up. Okay, I can
I have a
stop.
question. I have a question, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. When you were teaching, you were a bit fast for me. I think I was trying to follow you, but you were fast. So that's why I'm
Okay.
asking for a lecture now, because I opened my laptop beside me trying to follow you as you were doing, but at some point you left me and I was lost. So
Yes, yes, I understand. I understand.
yeah,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
it's possible to, especially when you started discussing the prompts and all of that, I want to know whether there's a place you click for a prompt to come, then you can edit, or are you the one to just initiate the prompt on your own? That's
Yes,
one.
yes,
Then
yes. Okay,
yeah,
no problem, ma'am. Yes, I got your question. The recording of each session is there, number one. Okay, so number two, the prompt sheet which I use right now is there, and I'm going to share with you in the WhatsApp group. You can access from that place. Number three, I have some more stuff is available for you for all the participant. Okay, and the stuff is prepared in such a way that with examples. Okay, for one prompt, when you can use, with example, how you can use. Okay, so there will be no such any to use all these stuff which I have prepared, and this will be available in your WhatsApp group, and you must try. And still, if I think the recording, if the recording is there, then anytime you can follow the recordings, okay? And still, then if you feel that there is some prompt to use this content, my WhatsApp number is with all the participant, okay? You can ask your query and you will get the answer. So I can do these things for you, for all the participant. Anytime in the near future, you have any challenge, any problem, any issue, and you need any help from our side, we are available here. Just you are required to put your query in the WhatsApp. But if you will call me, that will be hard for me. But if you will drop the message, then I will give you the answer. Okay, any more question, please? Kamlesh. Yes, I will, Rahul sir, I will share the PDF file, a Word file also. Okay, first I will share the Word file which I use right now, and then after I have some prompt files are there, and all these files will be very beneficial to all the participants. So thank you very much to all the participants to listen me very carefully and regularly, and sometimes you have to wait. Okay. So I hope that the session is really maybe informative for you. Now I request dear Faiz, we can conclude the session.
Yes, sir. As we conclude today's session on AI for academic writing and prompt engineering, I would like to sincerely thank our esteemed speaker, Dr. Meher Chand, for his valuable guidance, practical insights, and engaging session. Today, we explored how generative AI can support academic writing, research planning, content structuring, language refinement, and prompt design. We also emphasized that AI should be used as a support research tool, while originality, critical thinking, source verification, and academic integrity remain the responsibility of the researcher. I encourage everyone to continue practicing the prompt engineering techniques discussed today and explore how they can be responsibly integrated into your own academic and research workflows. A heartfelt thanks to Dr. Meher Chand for sharing his expertise and to all the participants for their active participation and enthusiasm. Thank you everyone for joining us. Have a wonderful evening and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.
Thanks, dear participant, and good night. All the content will be in the WhatsApp group. You can access from that place. Good night, and tomorrow we will resume at the same time. And if there is any change, we will update you. Thank you.